The robots are alive, and they're making babies, sort of. The scientists who created the first living robot say they can now reproduce in a way plants and animals do not. The researchers who made the robots call them xenobots. They say they used frog stem cells to create them. The microscopic bots look a lot like little Pac-Men, right? And according to a new study, they round up loose cells to create clusters. Then those clusters become living robots of their own. Reproduction. Researchers say their findings could lead to big advances, from rounding up microplastics in the ocean to finding cancer cells in people. Michael Levin is one of the authors of this study, professor of biology at Tufts University. Michael, thanks so much. These living robots, they have no brain or digestive system. Why are they considered robots? And how could they be programmed to solve problems?
So they contain only skin, although we could add other components, other cell types, muscle, and various things. And they're robots because their behavior is definable by an artificial intelligence algorithm, which is was developed at the University of Vermont by our collaborators, Joshua Bongard and his group. And the AI is helping us to define the stimuli that you have to give to these skin cells to make them assemble into little synthetic living machines with useful functions.
Just incredible. The co-author of this study with you said that these cells can be used as sort of building blocks, like a Lego. What can be built?
All kinds of things. There are two basic areas of impact of this technology. One is that as we get better at telling these cells what they should be building, we can make useful synthetic machines. So they might be doing useful things in the body. They might be cleaning out the environment for exploration, all sorts of uses like that. But the other big application of this technology is that by learning how it is that we convince a group of cells to build specific structures, we could really advance all of regenerative medicine. So all of the problems of birth defects, traumatic injury, cancer, aging, all of this hangs on the ability to tell cells what it is that they should be building.
Amazing.
And this is
And not to be a naysayer at all, but any concern that technology like this could lead to problems rather than solutions?
This kind of technology is a very safe, well-contained form of a system in which we can really understand how to manage the things that already we have lots of examples that are growing out of control. You know, we know viruses, bacteria, there's all sorts of things in our environment. This is frog skin. You know, frogs shed their skin into lakes all day long. And these things have a lifetime of about 1 week. After that, they biodegrade. And it's really an incredibly safe technology, but it gives us the opportunity to understand how to program cells to do all of the things we need them to do.
Michael Levin with a look to the future. Thank you so much.